everybody, so I hope everybody is doing absolutely fine. In this video I'm going to explain my cost cap strategy for the aggressive scale. Already have a winner or something like that and you need to scale it aggressively without getting the costs of purchase out of control, then this video is for you, because I'm going to basically explain theoretically and practically by doing it actually on my account that how to scale cost cap so that you can implement same in your system. Okay, let's go. This is a cost cap strategy to basically do cost cap. Okay, so first of all, if you are doing in US market or Indian market, the strategy is kind of same. So if your break even is, for example, $20 or $2 for India, right? So we need to take 20 or 2 as an baseline indicator so that we will put the cost cap on between it. Okay, so for example, if your cost cap, like your break even is $20, then we will go from 15 to 20 first, then 20 to 25 first, and then second, and 25 to 30 in the third trial. So or maybe if you have like $2, then it will go from $1.5 to $2, then $2.0 to $2.5, and so on. Also, there's something that needs to be make sure that you are using minimum of 3 or more winning interest, or if open is working for you, then it's fine. But you need to have a proven audience or LLAs or custom audience, anything, but it should be proven. Okay, anything with like ad, anything with like 5+ purchases in last 7 days or 3 days with more than 3x ROAS for US market, and for India market it's your depending upon your cost per sale and your basically AOV. So it depends how much you need to take it as an indicator. For example, in US market is like 3x ROAS, and also you need to make sure that you should have like at least 2 to 3 winning ads inside each ad set that I'm going to explain and show you how to do it, because we can't basically throttle only one ad, as cost cap is just averaging out the basically your cost per purchase across many ad sets. Okay, some bring crazy good results and some just blast and will not perform. Then it will only, the aim is to average out on the ad account level. So you need to have at least 2 to 3 winning ads, because if you put it inside the ad set, may it work, may not, don't know, but you need to have at least 2 to 3 winning ad. With the 5+ purchases for US market, and I guess 15+ purchases for Indian market at least, that will show it as a proven ad. Okay, so this strategy is not for testing, it's for scaling and aggressive scaling. So you need to have it, keep in mind that only use it when you are confident on your product. Okay, and now lastly we will combine everything, budgets with cost caps, and we will use the interest or winning interest or open or custom LLAs, and then the ads. Okay, the proven ads. So let me show you how to actually do it in your ad manager for the good results. Okay, let's do it. I am going to do it on this ad account of my client. I hope he don't mind. I'm scaling the ads quite rapidly in this account now. Okay, so what we are going to do is basically we are going to select all the campaigns that have the winning. Basically we will narrow it down first of all. Okay, so that we can find interest, audiences, ads for the proven duplication into the cost cap campaign. We will create a new campaign. Just stick to this video to understand this fully. Do not skip or miss anything, because if you do not, you will end up losing a lot of money on this strategy, because it's kind of risky scaling strategy. So yeah, keep in mind, stay till the end to understand it fully. Do not hurry up. Alright, so right now we are narrowing down all the campaign with good spend and good purchases and all those things, so that we can go into the ad sets now. Now we will narrow it down with the cost per results. Also we will narrow it down with the sorted with the result thing, because we need to have like in majorly chances of winning ad sets. Okay, so that we can understand the pattern and ads into it. Okay, so we got all the ads which are having good purchases, and now we need to select at least 20-30 to find good 5-6 that we can use. In this while we will also unselect higher side of purchases cost per result, because we don't want to take that in account, because we are looking for the best ones. Okay, let me just select all and then filter it down. Okay, let's filter it down. Then now again I will just narrow it down with the best results. Now we got like 4-5 at least. We will narrow it down because this client needs around $2.5 of purchase, because it's kind of branded and the delivery is good for Indian market. So of this product especially, so we'll stick with around $1 cost per purchase to find the winning combination. All right, so let's select till 1.07. This is perfect. Then just select it down. For the security reason, I will not reveal the ad. So now we are going to take top 5 or top 6. We need 6 ad sets for this strategy to work. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 strategy, 6 ad sets, sorry. And now we are going to duplicate it inside a new campaign. Okay, so new campaign, and we will name it the product name, and then cost cap, our basically agency name, which is SBO, and this is ranging from 1.5 to $2. Okay, so this is kind of naming culture that I will follow. Now it's getting duplicated. Let me turn it on, all the ad sets. Good. Now go back. There's something which is failed to duplicate, so let's duplicate the best winning ad sets into a new campaign. We have to select 6 ad sets. So for this strategy to work, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and new campaign, name it accordingly, whatever you want to name it. We will go from $1.5 to $2 in the first phase, and this is going to be CBO. We are trying CBO this time. Let's get into the basically settings of the campaign. So this is the CBO, and we need to turn on it. For the budget, I would say if you are okay with it, then $100 to $200 is fine for the first phase, or maybe $200 to start with. As you have get the results, you can scale up to like 500,000 to 1,000 depending upon your capacity to fulfillment and everything. It's like start with at least 100 on the lower side. Below that, it's not going to work that much. I'll start with 100. Okay, select cost cap and done. Go into the ad set, as you can see here. So go into ad sets, and now in the bidding strategy, you need to select the cost cap ranging from 1.5, because we are going from 1.5 to 2, and after that 2 to 2.5, then 2.5 to 3. That's what I explained you in theoretical. I am showing you how to do it in practice, right? So go for 1.5, then go here 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, and $2. Okay, so as I explained you why we need 6 ad sets, right? Because we need to go from 1.5 to $2. So as you can see, let me just expand it a bit. 1.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $2. Let's just publish it. All right, once it is published, then what we are going to do is we will going to duplicate this. So now what we are going to do is we are basically going to duplicate it with the current settings, and we are going to duplicate it 2 times, because in the first one we will go from now $2 to $2.5. In the third campaign we are going to go from $2.5 to $3. All right, all settings will remain the same. Only we are going to change is here we are going from 2 to 2.5, so we will go with $2 first, then 2.1, and so on. Okay, let's configure another one. This one, let's configure it. This one will go from 2.5 to $3. 6, 7, 8, 9. If the client demands, or if we need like actually $2 or $2.5 of cost per purchase, you might having question that why we are going from 2.5 to $3, because sometimes there is like more audiences outside of your bracket which can purchase, and in averaging out later on the ad account level, it will going to give you overall result below 2.5 or $2, whatever is your desired results, because that's how the Facebook works. Facebook is just a bidding platform, and every advertiser is bidding for the same consumer and audience size. If you want to grab more market size in the market for that particular product or niche, then you need to go some more above of your comfortable range to get the consumer into your funnel. And if your product page, product offer, pricing is more better than your competitor, then even at $3 of cost cap, you will be getting, for example, $2, $1.9 of your cost per purchase. So that's the basically behind the idea of going for 2.5 to $3 also, so that you can grab more market size for the particular niche. As you can see, we have launched 3 campaigns with $200 each CBO with cost cap, and in the first we went from 1.5 to 2. Our comfortable range is 2 to 2.5, so 1.5 to 2 is way below our comfortable range. Then we have gone to our comfortable range, which is 2 to 2.5, then over our comfortable range, which is 2.5 to 3. Basically, each campaign, each ad set having 6 ad sets and 2 to 3 winning ad inside each ad sets, and give it at least half a day or full day at this budget to perform and show the result what is actually bringing to you. Yeah, that's how the overall cost cap works. If you want to discuss anything about business and Facebook ads, if you need good agency accounts, we are partnered with 25 plus providers of all around the world for the EU, US, Asian, every accounts we have. So if you want to partner with us, or you need our infrastructure for your business to plug and play and then scale, then contact us. We have a website, we have email, WhatsApp, all having link in the description. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed and you need more of this content, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till that, keep scaling and keep refining your strategies, because there's no limit.